final step. Okay, how to monetize, right? So what's the method? Create app for your own business. Increase your clientele, your client base, and your revenue. Create info app. If you don't know what to build, you don't have a revenue stream, create an app like hobby, fishing, news, right? All this travel a bit down. Probably you can do recipe or your sports, okay? And then put an advertisement inside, and then you can see what happened. Or you can join affiliate program and then put a link inside, right? Link all the affiliate program, Amazon, ClickBank, and all this stuff, right? And create app for others. Okay, this is a more lucrative in a way. A lot of students are doing it. Just create app and you make about 1,000 to 5,000 USD, depend on the package, right? Later I'll share with you more on the package, and it's about 80% profit margin for you. Wow, 80%. What business give you that? You do not need to hold stock. You do not need to, you know, do complicated stuff. Just repeat what you do, and that's about it. Okay, renewal of app subscription, because it's by yearly basis, so you collect a subscription from your client. Okay, you collect from your client, then you pay us the yearly subscription. That's it. Okay, so you start advertising running, and these are the three platforms that we have, right? That are integrated into our system. You can use it to make advertising dollar. Okay, and we advise you to join. You know, you have any kind of affiliate program that give you a link, you can use and hyperlink it into the system. Okay. Okay, build app for others, right? Later we'll come to that a bit in detail. How does it work, right? And then monetize for build app for your own business, right? And this is one of Philippine student. He learned this after the 3 days. He start again sell apps, right? And he in Philippine language, and still the same effect. He got the app ranking #1 in Play Store and App Store, Lechon, right? You can search it. It's there. Thank you for watching. Do like us and follow us on Facebook.